Oh,
Oh, hi sir.
man.
Hi sir. Hi sir. Hi sir. How
Call
are
me
you, sir?
Ritvik, buddy. Call me Ritvik. Don't call me sir. What's up, man? How are you?
Oh, I'm doing great. Actually, I wanted to do this thing. I was telling people over here कि जब ऋत्विक आएगा ऋत्विक सर आएंगे तो मैं एक इंट्रोडक्शन दूंगा. Hi ऋत्विक, this is Rutik.
I was actually seeing that happen. मैं देख रहा था. Hi, Ritvik. I'm Rotek. I saw that. Man, sorry. I got like what 2 minutes delayed with the network issue. What's up?
Okay,
How are
okay,
you?
perfect. The voice is audible. सब कुछ बढ़िया बढ़िया लग रहा
Yeah,
है इंटरनेट.
everything is freaking top notch.
Perfect. Okay, so before joining in, I was telling the audience that my mom is a huge fan of you.
Right?
And my people are already recording this. I'll be sending this to my mom and I'll be flexing it like pro.
She watched Super Dancer.
She watched Super Dancer. She's your fan from Pavitra Rishta. Okay. Yeah. And I have seen Pavitra Rishta too. I was in 8th standard or 9th standard that time. And I used to copy, the way you talk, the posture of your body, that really gets me. So,
How old are you, man?
I am 21, 22 running.
What are you saying?
Yeah,
क्या बात कर रहा है?
exactly.
Okay. I'm
वो
32
दाढ़ी
myself.
थोड़ा सा
हाँ, I'm 32 myself. मुझे लग रहा है कि भाई तेरे को देख के तो ऐसा लग रहा है भाई तू मुझसे एक आध साल ही छोटा होगा. लोग यही बोलते
सर
होंगे
वो
ना.
थोड़ा सा वो चेहरे पे एक्सपीरियंस दिखाई देता है सर, बस बाकी कुछ नहीं.
कौन सा एक्सपीरियंस दोस्त?
सर आपकी ही सीरीज देखता आ रहा हूँ, आपकी ही सीरीज देखता आ रहा हूँ, तो आपसे ही एक्सपीरियंस ले रहे हैं धीरे धीरे.
इंटरेस्टिंग. What's up?
ओके ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द लाइव सेशन. सर सबसे पहले कैसा लग रहा है यहाँ पे आके?
दोस्त बहुत बढ़िया लग रहा है यार. I'm doing a college event after a very long time, man. So
ओके
it's pretty interesting. It's amazing. So I hope I get to chat and do some interesting stuff here today. And everybody who's joined in, hello, hi, दोस्तों. I hope you guys are watching Cartel. And
एग्जैक्टली.
मुझे बहुत मजा आ रहा है. पता है क्या? अभी मैंने just before joining in right now, I saw some memes. यार I am meme worthy man. तो मेरे कुछ scenes memes बन रहे हैं. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है.
I
I
saw
love it.
that you shared those stuff on your Instagram story too. I saw that, and I'm already thinking, dude. I have seen Cartel. Okay, I won't lie. I have seen. I saw the trailer first. I saw your dialogues delivery. You are something else in that whole series. Okay, you have. This is the first time. I'll be honest. Okay, I'll be honest with the reviews. This is the first time I have seen you like trying something out of the box. The way you are, the body posture, you are not like that in real life, I know, but
No.
you're a sweet person in real life, that I know. And I loved it. Tell us something about Cartel first.
Bro, it's genuinely like you said. It's one of the very closest things to my heart. I have given my heart and soul to it for 3 years. 3 साल की पूरी मेहनत दी है इसमें. It's not something that I've ever done before. ये
Yeah.
बिल्कुल नया है. It is completely not who I am. That's exactly why it's all the more exciting to be a part of
Okay.
something like this. So यार मतलब I can't begin to explain मेरे लिए कितनी overwhelming वाली feeling है when people are liking my show and people are liking what I'm doing, and lovely people like you come and tell me and compliment me for my work. This is all that matters.
Okay, thank you so much for that. And
तुझे भी
to be
आवाज
honest,
सुनाई दे
okay,
रही है
yeah, no, it's perfect, no worries.
क्या? Someone's
Yeah.
farting up there.
That's natural. Okay, by the way, I had one more question. Okay, your journey started with Triple X Uncensored, I guess, or with Alt Balaji. Okay,
Yep.
and
Yeah,
it
those
was
my
a
journey
crazy
started
series.
बहुत पहले. My journey
Yeah,
my journey started with प्यार की
with Alt
कहानी.
Balaji. I was talking about Alt Balaji, and
I know.
that journey with Alt Balaji was crazy. And how does it feel now? Okay, because Cartel is something else. Okay, the series you started with Alt Balaji is something else, and the fusion of action. There is crazy drama. And how has been the experience? Because I've seen the characters Rani Mai, Major Bhau, and Madhu Bhau. These are some legendary actors you have worked with in the series.
Yeah.
So how was the experience? Like, what did you teach them? What did you learn from them?
I only learned from them. Yeah, I honestly believe I'm a student every day. So the experience has been mind fucking blowing. It's been so good to be able to just be in one frame with Supriya Pathak or Jitendra Joshi or for that matter Tanuj, because these are fine actors. These are great performers. And there are so many other names. Yeah, there is Tanishta Chatterjee, in the show. There is Monica Dogra. My God, How can I even
Yes.
forget that girl? She is the life of Abhay.
Yes.
She makes me who I am in the show. So working with them has been a marvelous freaking experience. I've only and only learned from them. It's been a fucking joyride, man. It's been so cool.
I see that. And tell us something about Cartel more, because I have seen it. There are a few people who hasn't seen it yet.
Yeah,
And
dosto, I'll tell
Jiten,
you more.
yeah,
I'll tell you more. The show is crazy. The show's kick-ass. It's got some amazing freaking one-liners. It's got a great plot line, and it's got some amazing, super fucking amazing performances. And I don't talk about myself. I'm talking about all the other actors apart from me.
exactly.
And the best part of the show is the climax. You have to watch the show up until I mean 14 episodes. So pagal ho jaoge tum. I can guarantee you, this is the feedback that I'm getting from almost everywhere, that as soon as you hit the 4th and the 5th episode is when, like all the big series, like all the big
Yeah,
stories and scripts, it
yeah,
sort of starts kicking in, and then once that
yeah,
flight takes off, there is no looking back. Like that's one common feedback that I'm getting from everywhere. So but the climax, oh my god, it is one of the best things that I've ever read on a script and ever sort of performed. So watch the show, man. Just watch the show, and I'm more than happy to know, like how my friend here has just told me that he liked what I did. For all of you who are there on the live right now, tell me what you think. I would love to know if you guys like what I did, or even if you did not like what I did, please tell me.
exactly. And by the way, there was this one more question. Okay, so जिन लोगों ने ये सीरीज नहीं देखी है, ठीक है, तो कौन सी, लाइक मैं स्पॉइलर देना नहीं चाहता, इसके बारे में अपन डीएम में गॉसिप करेंगे अगर आप मुझे रिप्लाई करोगे तो तो हाँ, क्या ऐसी कौन सी चीज है, एक पर्टिकुलर मूवमेंट जो कॉमिक मूवमेंट था शूट के दौरान, मतलब शूट जब आप कर रहे थे, एक ऐसा टाइमिंग था जहाँ पे मतलब कोई रुक ही नहीं पाया हंसने के लिए, या फिर ऐसा कोई चीज जो काफी ज्यादा मेमोरेबल था शूट के दौरान?
यार सच बताऊं, जीतू दा है ना, जितेंद्र जोशी,
ये
उनके साथ कोई भी मोमेंट इज एग्जैक्टली लाइक द वे यू टॉकिंग अबाउट. मतलब ऐसे हजारों मोमेंट्स होंगे जहां हम कुत्ते के जैसे हंसे जा रहे हैं, कुत्ते के जैसे. मतलब देयर वाज दिस वन मोमेंट दैट आई रिमेंबर, जो मेरे पास रिकॉर्डेड भी. आई एम गोइंग टू पुट इट अप ऑन माय सोशल मीडिया वेरी सून, वेयर इट
ओके,
वाज वेयर इट वाज आई थिंक तनुज's बर्थडे.
ओके,
तो मेरा बर्थडे हो गया था, तनुज का 29 नवंबर को आता है, मेरा 5 नवंबर को बर्थडे. तो मेरा बर्थडे हो गया था. हम मेरे बर्थडे वाले दिन शूट कर नहीं रहे थे, किसी ने केक काटा नहीं, और तनुज के बर्थडे का केक आया. सो आई रिमेंबर कि वो जस्ट दैट लिटिल बिट ऑफ वो एक केक, और वो तीनों भाइयों का प्यार, कि केक हम खाएंगे नहीं और केक हम मारेंगे वाला होता है ना, कि दोस्त
एग्जैक्टली,
बिना केक मुंह पे मारे
एग्जैक्टली,
कैसे जा सकते हैं.
एग्जैक्टली,
तो किस तरह से, आई रिमेंबर दैट द एंटायर टाइम I have literally, me and Tanuj have literally chased जीतू दा through the set. और वो अपनी विग पहन के ऐसा झोला से लेके, उनकी हालत खून में लगे हुए, और उसमें भागे जा रहे, बोल रहे मत कर भाई. It was so freaking hilarious. I can't tell. It was an amazing day. And that's just one of the moments that I'm talking to you about. Because this just came to my head right now because I was going through those pictures and videos. But there are so many more such moments. So many moments with me and Pintia. Pintia
ओके, यस,
plays my sidekick. He's a phenomenal actor. Deepak Sampath. He's actually 2016 Mami Best Actor, by the way, and
या,
he's a brilliant actor. So him playing Pintia for me was a life-changing experience, because he added so much life to Abhay that I can't tell you. So I think moments with him were extremely funny. Yeah, so that's what it was.
crazy, crazy. So one more thing, when you make a film, when you make a series, the time when people start making memes on it, that is the only time where you know that our film is doing something, our series are
Yeah.
doing something. Exactly, right. So I have already seen a lot of memes on this. You are killing on them. And how's the feeling on being a meme? Because that is the only time you know that dude, this is doing
बहुत
something.
बहुत अच्छी फीलिंग है. I can't tell you. I'm telling you ना, मैं अभी I just got up. I was just taking a nap before this little live. So मैं उठा, and I just checked my phone because I had to go on a live. तो मैंने देखा there were a couple of people. मतलब just to be a part of those memes is like कि, bro, I'm on a meme, man. It's actually
Exactly.
like that. and it just gives you it's very gratifying to sort of see that your characters are doing so well. Madhubhav's character is doing so well. Major's character is doing so well. So, and we're being spoken about in the right kind of audiences. So I think it's yeah. अपनी
Crazy.
भाषा में
Okay.
बोले तो अपनी भाषा में बोले तो बहुत ही रावस फीलिंग है.
बहुत ही रावस फीलिंग है. तो एज मेरा मेरा फीलिंग था कि मैं बोला मैं पूरा ट्रेलर देखा सबसे पहले, फिर मैंने सीरीज देखा एंड आई वाज लाइक डूड दिस इज समथिंग क्रेजी. आई वाज लाइक Hrithik Dhanjani is doing this. Oh damn, this is something different. So I was, I'm still, infatuated with the whole aura and that whole thing. So we'll move on to a rapid fire round. Are you
Yeah.
excited for this round, Hrithik?
Kev, go for it, man. Let's go.
Okay. You have to just, be quick.
Okay.
This is not, something, coffee with current kind of rapid fire, but we'll make it normal. Okay. Are you excited? Okay. So let's
Very.
go.
Okay.
Yeah. So, what do you think about your present day that you live?
I'm the most thankful on earth.
Okay. Who's your favorite actress?
My favorite,
Actress.
Supriya Pathak.
Okay. Are you an introvert or extrovert?
Absolutely extrovert.
Favorite midnight craving?
Oh, cold coffee with some brownie.
Okay, I totally relate.
Yeah.
Yeah, I do. I totally relate. Okay. If you could be an animal, what would it be?
If I could be an animal,
If you could be an animal, what would it be?
a wolf.
A wolf. Why? Do you have a reason for that?
I don't know. I think wolf is my spirit animal. I like being a wolf.
Okay. So, favorite vacation destination?
Favorite wedding destination.
Vacation.
Vacation destination. मतलब wedding destination. भाई क्या बात कर रहे
No,
हैं?
no. Ritvik, I know that much about you, so
होती होगी ना, होती
we'll
होगी
go
ना
with
कि-
vacation.
होती होगी ना किसी की फेवरेट वेडिंग डेस्टिनेशन जिन्होंने 3 4 कर रखी होगी. वाली मेरी वो वाली शादी बढ़िया थी. Wait, favorite holiday destination would be, I think, Europe, LA,
Europe. Okay.
anywhere.
Okay.
Actually, anywhere.
Favorite place in India. If you choose
Oh,
a place
Himachal,
in
up
India.
north.
Himachal. Okay, perfect. We totally relate. Okay. One word for your fans.
One word for my fans. I love you. But it's 3 words.
Yeah,
Three
exactly. But okay, let's do one thing. वो I love you के बीच में गैप आता है ना, उसको अपन पास में कर दे के एक वर्ड बनाते हैं,
एक
क्योंकि
word बना
वो
दो.
प्यार के बीच में से एक हवा नहीं जानी चाहिए ना, एक मतलब टाइट वाला प्यार होना चाहिए.
I love you guys. Thank you so much to everybody who's showering me with their love. I love you guys. I love you.
One last question. One word for all Balaji.
Oh, it is honestly, it is home. It is home. So, yeah.
Okay, that was the rapid fire round, guys. Please shower some more love. यहाँ पे दिल आने दो, मेरे लिए भी थोड़ा बहुत आने दो.
Please आने दो मेरे भाई. कितने सारे people, so many people are writing, looking so handsome. Aarti says, thank you, Aarti Shukla ji. Thank you very much. Googs, पाजी just wanted to tell you I love you. Trailer देखा है, show देखेंगे जल्दी, full support. पाजी जल्दी देखो यार show. पाजी क्या कर रहे हो आप? तुसी कमाल हो.
अगर तुम लोग ने नहीं दिखाना, तुम लोग को माता रानी का पाप लगेगा, ठीक है?
Please देखो दोस्तों. It's really something that's very very close to my heart. Please watch the show. And yeah, thank you. Oh, Raksha Bhawan has watched the show. She says your acting is. Thank you very much, Raksha. Thank you. Okay.
Also, Ritvik, I had one more question. Like, आपने बीच में आप बहुत ज्यादा बिजी थे. You are shooting. It was, वो जो स्वेट होता है वो थक तो जाते हैं, लेकिन वो रात को सोते समय वाला जो स्वेट फील होता है वो अलग ही फील होता है, उसमें एक अलग ही सुकून होता है. So, right now, when you're getting so much of love, people are loving you. I have seen your Instagram growth. I've seen, I've seen your growth, to be honest. As I told you, I was in school when I saw you for the first time. I'm about to get graduated, and things are going crazy, and I've just seen your growth. The graph is always like this. So,
Thank you.
it always feels like being blessed. Okay, so how do you feel being blessed?
I mean, that question has an answer in itself. That I feel blessed. How do I feel? I feel totally blessed. I think I'm maybe I'm a God's child. Maybe I'm blessed with with a life where I am able to live what do what I love, live the way I want to, and I can't thank God enough for giving me what He's given me and everything around me. So extremely grateful, extremely thankful. Thank you, Papa. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Also, and we'll move to the next round. This is called this or that round. Okay. So if I tell you cold
This
coffee
or
or
that.
chai, yeah, cold coffee. If I tell you cold
Okay,
coffee or
got
chai,
it, got it,
you
got it.
choose.
Throw,
Okay. So guys, we are going with
throw.
this or that, and personal question होंगे ये like basically personally answer देना होगा आपको, and you have to be quick. Okay.
Okay,
So पहला question ये dog या cat?
dogs,
Dogs. Okay. Tea or coffee?
coffee, cold.
Morning. Okay. Morning person or night person?
Now a morning person. I was a night person.
Okay. Beach or mountains?
Mountains,
Okay. Vacation or staycation?
vacation.
Okay. Be embarrassed or be afraid?
Be
Be embarrassed or be afraid?
be embarrassed for sure. Why to be afraid? Don't be
Okay.
afraid of anything.
Attend a party or host one?
Either or. Some nowadays now because I love my house, I host one. You want to see my house, buddy? Look at that, man. That's my
Okay.
view, buddy. That's where I am.
Oh damn. Oh damn. I
Why
like
would I? Why would I? Why would I want to go to parties? I host parties, man.
Okay, so next, call person or text person?
Call. Yes,
Call.
absolutely a
Okay.
call. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't have your number yet, but sure, I'll call you, sir.
Mm, okay.
Okay, books or movies?
Movies.
Movies, okay. Share food or don't share food?
Never share food.
Never share food. Okay, you're like Joey, just like me.
I am Joe. I don't share my food. I can eat
Okay,
from other
so
people's. I can eat from other people's plate, but I can't share food.
ओके सो और एक चीज मैं पूछना चाहता था हमेशा है ना हम लोग सेट्स पे जब भी होते हैं ठीक है एक्टर्स को मेनली है ना अच्छा खाना लाइक सबको एकदम अच्छा खासा खाना बनता है लाइक एक चीज मतलब एक पर्टिकुलर डिश एक पर्टिकुलर क्या बोलते हैं खाना जो आपको शूट के समय मतलब बहुत मजा आता था खाने के लिए जो एक मतलब कॉमन रहा है हर एक बार
बन मस्का
दैट्स
चाय
मॉर्निंग थिंग लाइक परफेक्ट
नहीं
या
नहीं मॉर्निंग मॉर्निंग कुछ नहीं होता दोस्त कभी भी पिला दो चाय और बन मस्का और अगर इफ यू वांट टू बी एक्स्ट्रा ग्रेटफुल बन मलाई मस्का
ओहो ओके
ओए होए
लाइक
वो भी पता है
या
कहाँ
भी
की
थोड़ी
बॉम्बे
देर
यू फ्रॉम बॉम्बे आर यू फ्रॉम बॉम्बे
या आई एम फ्रॉम बॉम्बे या
दोस्त नागौरी की चाय
नागौरी की चाय
दी
I'll be
ओरिजिनल
honest I'll be
एंड
honest,
दी
before
ओरिजिनल
this
वाला
life, yeah, yeah,
हाँ
before this चाय मैंने नागौरी चाय ही पी है 10-15 मिनट पहले ये लाइफ से पहले मैं
क्या
थोड़ा सा
बात कर
फ्रेश
रहा है
फील होने रियलिटी है तो मैं नागौरी चाय
दोस्त
पी के ही यहाँ पे आया हूँ तो ये
but
एनर्जी
नागौरी
नागौरी
बहुत
चाय
कम है
की
यार
है
there are a lot of fake stalls
या
The original Nagori is actually, of course, one in Marol, वहां से कहीं से शुरू अंधेरी स्टेशन वहां से, and then there
या
is in Oshiwara. ये दो तीन
या
है जो पुराने वाले हैं. So
एग्जैक्टली
अंधेरी स्टेशन बोरीवली स्टेशन दोस्त.
वी आर गोइंग बैक टू नॉस्टैल्जिया
I know, man.
crazy time okay like moving back to our series moving back to old Balaji Cartel okay so आपके पास जब वो स्क्रिप्ट आई थी आपने क्या सोचा था स्क्रिप्ट आने के बाद
दोस्त जब मैंने पहली बार
रही आपको सबका बढ़िया बढ़िया
one
ओके
word
आई
for
गेस
Tarantan.
स्टक या फिर
Okay, you're
कॉल आ
back.
गया
You're
होगा
back. Okay,
एंड
you're back. Okay.